Good morning, guys. Ernest Odell here with another real quick tutorial. We've been trying to keep them down to around 30 minutes at the most. And I'm going to see if I can't make this in a little bit shorter. I think I've got everything kind of on a pattern here. It's now 4:29 going on 4:30 a.m. Central Time on Saturday, July the 30th. Tomorrow's payday. Okay, we're going to do a real quick cut and paste tutorial for our Mlgs users. That's my lead gen secret. You get to post every 24 hours, or actually every 23 hours. So you keep doing this, you keep backing up an hour. I started doing this about 8 o'clock in the morning. Then it started going at 7. I'm saying, hey, I can put this out at 6 and then 5 and then 4. Now I woke up at 3:30 this morning and I said, okay, time to make some coffee, get bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. So we are going to show you live, now that we are eligible to post every 24 hours, we're going to put this in here and we're going to start sharing our screen. I'm going to come over here and share sound just in case I need it, and get into share, get over here to the Facebook chat group, okay, where Frank posted the information yesterday, the email marketing tips. He said it's highly responsive, model or send out something similar, excuse me. And click on that link, and I've already got it up and running here. So basically what you're going to do is grab that right there, copy. We're just going to copy that for right now. We're going to go into our lead gen secret account and log in. And we're going to look at our statistics real quick. Weekends, Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays, a little slower, okay. I sent out 20,600 yesterday. I've only had 810 so far, but you never know, you know, these recipients will get their emails maybe a day or two later, 3 days, 4 days, and the opt-ins go up. This one has done extremely well from back on the 25th, 5 days ago. I think that was Tuesday. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the mailing system, click here. We're going to send by date, okay. We're going to go ahead and load up all 20,800 of my leads, and we're going to send them from my name. And if you want to reload a previous email, you just select the one you want to reload and take that and hit load, and you see where it fills in the subject line, and it will also populate the previous content that you put in. But I'm going to do one raw, okay? We're going to do a new one raw. So I am going to go back to statistics and clear that, and we're going to go back to the mailing system, and we're going to leave it checked for mail by date, select all leads, and send it from myself, okay. And when you get your MLGS account, you can always watch these videos, the intro videos and tutorial videos. Jim goes through quite bit of detail in a very short amount of time. All right. They have a training video. Any questions, you can send them a support ticket. Okay. Now, this right here, since I already copied the subject line, I'm going to go into Mlgs and I'm going to put that here. And today being Saturday, kind of weird. I mail every day. Okay. Even if Saturday's a slow day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I tend to mail. The ones that do good, I just mail those and remail them. Okay. But let's take Frankie's email and post the subject line in there, 40 years at a job. We beat those results. And we come in here and we're going to select all with Control A, and then I'm going to delete. All right. We're going to take all that out. We got the subject line in up here. If you want to use their first name variable, you grab that and copy it. I want to go back over here and we're going to grab this right here where it says Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. And down here where it says Frank Calabro, we're going to right click, copy. Okay, come back over here. Get down here to our editing window, Control V Victor, and we're going to change the name to my name. And I'm going to put my personal photo down there in just a few minutes. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to Control A, select all. We're going to leave it on normal. You could use normal div. Okay, it would just tighten up the breaks, but we're going to leave it on normal. We're going to change the font to Verdana, change the size to 16 point, make it a little easier to read. I'm going to take the spaces out. If you use the normal div declaration in there, it'll tighten up this space where it's basically single space, but we're going to go with double space, and we're going to take out the extra line breaks. And here, again, since they're not subscribers to our funnel, I'm going to grab my six-figure side hustle, 100grandayear.com subdomain. Then I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to highlight that and come in here and unlink it. Go back and change it because it changed the font size and type. I'm going to go back and change it to Verdana 16. And then we're going to come in here and paste in our link to the capture page, because we do want them to sign up. And here we're going to take the blank tag so that when they click on that link, it opens up in a new tab. Now, I like to make it a little bit more noticeable. So we're going to give it the desaturated blue, bold, underline attributes. And we're going to take out those line breaks. Now, Here it says, look at the results below, and the pay week hasn't even ended yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a break in here. And I've already taken the liberty to upload my images over to my Viral Atom blog. And I'm going to grab that image because external images with Mlgs, they don't have a function for you to upload and store them on their server like PLS and traffic waves. So here we're going to have to enter it dynamically and put wherever you store your image. Okay. Click here and it shows it as 600 by 427. We're going to go ahead and leave it at that original size. You can put a border on it if you want to make it kind of stand out like it's clickable. I usually don't. I usually leave zero border, no border. On the space, I like to give it a little bit of space on the horizontal and vertical space. And I don't set the alignment left or right. I leave it flushed. Okay, leave it not set. And then on that link, we're not going to leave it unclickable. We're going to make this dynamic image clickable, and we're going to copy that, come back over here, and put the link over here. So if they do click that commissions link, it will go over to your lead capture page. Okay. Here, I'm going to put my photo, all right, because, people like to see who they're dealing with. Okay, so here's the link I dynamically stored over on my blog. I use it for that, or I could go grab my image over at Facebook. Okay, you just got to remember, if your image is too big, you want to make sure this is 125 by 156. I'm going to use one of my older pictures. We're not going to put a border on it. We are going to give it some space between any other content. We're not going to link it here. So we're going to leave that. And then we're going to do another carriage return. And we're going to put one more image in there. And we're going to come over here and get, I've got it over here in my notes. We're going to grab the animated GIF that I made for this. Okay. Copy that. Control C, Charlie. Come back. We're going to come over here and we're going to paste the URL, and it's going to give it a 648 by 580. We can change the dynamic size to 600, so it's kind of equal width as the commission link. We could give it a border. We're not going to. Yeah, let's try that. Let's give it a border. Let's give it a small border of 4, and let's do horizontal and vertical space, and we're not going to change the alignment. We're going to leave it as is. We're going to come back over here, grab our URL, because we do want them to go fill out the lead capture page directly. Come over here and paste the link, boom, and blank. And now it's there. And if you look at it, it's animated, it's blinking, it should get their attention. Okay, we got everything else. We got the subject line. We got the content placed in there. We're going to do perfect timing, and we're going to preview before we send it. So this is working. Close that. And we'll come down here and click on the Start Now link, the embedded text. There it goes again. And then we don't have the picture, but we do have this. And there, so all three references are working, okay? And this right here is ready to send. So we'll just come over here and send email. And you see it rendering, inserting it into the system. It's been queued up. You should be able to review it on the statistics page in a few moments. And now please wait 22 hours, 59 minutes, and 51 seconds before your next morning. So it's about 23 hours. Every 24 hours, I think, it's actually every 23 hours you get to mail. So it's out the door, it's queued up, ready to go. It will be sent to them in perfect timing based on their historical behavior. It will put it at the top of their email box and they'll get it, okay? And we'll go back up here to statistics and we'll see that we've got a new email that we can check later in the day and check on the number of opens, open rate, clicks. And here yesterday I was using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm only using like 2 variations of this, turn $1 into a 6-figure income. The 25th was what, Monday or Tuesday? Today's Saturday. Let's go in here and look at the calendar. The 25th was a Monday, okay? So Mondays traditionally are slower, but maybe people are dreading going back to work. They're saying, oh, I don't want to go to this job. I'm looking for something else. You never know what people are thinking, okay? That's why I mail every day. The good days to mail are Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But here is Monday, here's Tuesday, here's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and of course today is Saturday. So it's ready to go. It's out the door. And I'm going to put this up on YouTube. So, give us a like, love, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And every time I put up a new video tutorial, you'll get an email notification that it came in. Appreciate you stopping by. Okay. And we're going to stop sharing our screen and we'll say, have a good weekend, you guys. This is Ernest Odell with the Cash Now Funnel. Genius creation from Frank Calabro. Saturday morning, it's now 4:48 a.m. So we've kept it under 30 minutes and we'll be signing off and see you on the next tutorial. Have a good weekend.